Django, why do some model fields clash with each other? I want to create an object that contains two links to users. For example, but I am getting the following errors when running the server. Accessor for field, target, clashes with related field, user, game claim underscore set. Add a related underscore name argument to the definition for target. Accessor for field claimer clashes with related field, user, game claim underscore set. Add a related underscore name argument to the definition for claimer. Can you please explain why I am getting the errors and how to fix them?
The user model is trying to create two fields with the same name, one for the game claims that have that user as the target, and another for the game claims that have that user as the claimer. Here's the docs on related underscore name, which is Django's way of letting you set the names of the attributes so the auto-generated ones don't conflict.
You have two foreign keys to user. Django automatically creates a reverse relation from user back to game claim, which is usually game claim underscore set. However, because you have two FKS, you would have two game claim underscore set attributes, which is obviously impossible. So you need to tell Django what name to use for the reverse relation. Use the related underscore name attribute in the FK definition, e.g.
The op isn't using an abstract base class, but if you are, you will find that hard-coding the related underscore name in the FK, e.g. related underscore name equals my name, will result in a number of these conflict errors, one for each inherited class from the base class. The link provided below contains the workaround, which is simple, but definitely not obvious. From the Django docs. If you are using the related underscore name attribute on a foreign key or meta-to-meta field, you must always specify a unique reverse name for the field. This would normally cause a problem in abstract base classes, since the fields on this class are included into each of the child classes, with exactly the same values for the attributes, including related underscore name, each time. More info here.
I seem to come across this occasionally when I add a submodule as an application to a Django project, for example given the following structure. If I add the following to installed underscore apps, Django seems to process the myapp.mymodel-models.py file twice and throws the above error. This can be resolved by not including the main module in the installed underscore apps list. Including the myapp instead of myapp.module causes all the database tables to be created with incorrect names, so this seems to be the correct way to do it. I came across this post while looking for a solution to this problem, so figured I'd put this here, smiley face.
Let's hold it out.